Hey everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to make my mom's meatball stew in tomato sauce, also called Kiptaneh Sharwa. Start with soaking your rice for 1 hour. This is what the greens will look like beforehand. And after 1 hour, the rice greens will look like this. After draining the rice of any excess water, place into the food processor and pulse until you get this consistency. Once your rice is ready to go, place in the parsley, onion, seasonings, and beef into a large bowl. All the measurements will be in the description below. Thoroughly mix until well combined. Don't worry about overmixing. After everything is combined, let the meatball mixture rest for 10 minutes. Make the meatballs about the size of an ice cream scoop, around 30 grams. When rolling, make sure that they are very compact. The meatballs can also be made in advance. To start the stew, add oil to a pan on high heat and let it heat up for 1 minute. Add in your tomato paste. Sauté for about a minute to cook off any of the raw taste. From here, add in the Swiss chard. If you don't have any Swiss chard, a good substitute would be collard greens or spinach. After sautéing for about a minute, the Swiss chard will have wilted by about a half. From here, add your seasonings and sauté for another minute. After everything's been well combined, add in your 5 cups of water. After boiling for 5 minutes, add in your meatballs. Only about 20 were added in this video. The rest were frozen for a later date. Stir the meatballs and let the pot boil for 15 minutes. After boiling for 15 minutes, stir the meatball stew. Place the pot on low heat. Let the meatball stew boil for another 15 minutes. After boiling for 15 minutes, add in your dried basil. Stir everything well to combine and let the meatball stew simmer for 5 minutes. And that's it. All you have left now to do is enjoy. Thanks so much for watching, and leave any comments or questions down below.